Our Hiligaynon word for the day is nggaw, which means attraction, inclination, or propensity. It also means to attract, habituate, or cause a liking for, make partial to, or make fond of. Nggaw. Nayanggaw na siya sang tuba. That means he now likes or he has got to like tuba, which is kind of like a coconut wine. Nayanggaw na siya sang tuba. Ginayanggaw siya ni fulano sang saot, bilasyon kag iban pa. That means fulano is making him or her fond of habituating him, or to introducing him to like dances, that means saot, wakes is for bilasyon, and iban pa is etc. Ginyanggaw siya ni fulano sang saot, bilasyon, kag iban pa. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, nggaw. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.